So this is me removing the fence board slats off of the old compromised fence. My neighbor to the south discussed the idea of replacing this rotting wooden fence a while back, but it didn't become pressing until only a few days ago when parts of it started to saliently lean over. Here I am using a Ryobi impact driver powered by a 4 amp hour battery pack to do this job. You can pick up this excellent power tool at your local Home Depot. Now each fence slat is fastened into the fence rails by 6 screws, 2 on top, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the bottom. It is a tedious process, but this is the cleanest and safest way to break it down. Sawing the fence up would produce a lot of wood dust and multiple large heavy sections that could fall and crush your feet. As you can see from the pleasing lukewarm sunshine and the delightful cool breeze, it is an idyllic day and I don't mind doing a little bit of home improvement work outside. So my neighbor and I, initially called a legit fence company based in Oceanside to assess the situation and quote us on a replacement. For a vinyl fence, it was a pocket-busting, eye-popping $4,400 US plus tax. For a wooden one, it was a more reasonable $3,200 plus taxes. These guys never give you the final tax included amount to make the financial damage seem less than what it actually is. So I told the fence guy we were confident he would build us a Lamborghini quality fence, but we are just average Joes and can only realistically afford an Accord or Camry fence. Had I won the Mega Millions lottery last week, money would not be an obstacle. Unfortunately, I did not hit the right numbers. So we decided to pursue other options, and that's when I started looking for a skilled laborer on Craigslist. It seems the going rate was about $100 or $1,000 for labor, plus whatever material we wanted. I finally settled on this gem of a man named Alvarado, who offered to build a quality fence for $600 labor. He speaks both English and Spanish, but definitely better Spanish than English, and we utilize all 3 languages, including a little bit of sign language. So here we are piling up the old fence boards in the front yard. Alvarado offered a $100 discount if we do this part of the process ourselves. It was supposed to be $300 for the fence removal and haul away service, but if we break down the fence ourselves, he would only charge us $200. I figure it's worth saving $50 a piece doing only an hour's worth of work. Turned out to be more than 2 hours, but on the positive side, I got to know my neighbor a lot better. So this is the material we settled on: pressure-treated wooden posts and rails, Encino brand redwood fence slats, and quick-drying concrete mix. So a few of the posts got put in. What's really impressive is how deep they were able to dig. I mean, look at this. Here's a flashlight. Let's see. That's freaking over 2 feet deep. There's no way I could. I mean, it would take forever to dig this by hand with using just hand tools. Definitely that jackhammer came in handy here. So all the posts have been set in concrete. Fast drying concrete, so it's all hardened and ready to accept all the rails in between. That's what Alvarado and his guy is doing right now. Pretty sweet. So all the rails got screwed into the brackets, which are held into the fence posts, and now the fence board slats are getting installed. It's got Alvarado and his partner working really hard over there, but I'm estimating maybe another hour and a half. This is gonna be a really, really spectacularly beautiful shed. A beautiful fence. I was gonna say shed. Hoy I Alvarado. Es hombre, es el hombre de persona reemplazar mi cerca. Sí. Y yo tengo YouTube channel con mucha gente mirando. Y en este momento es tu oportunidad de anunciar tu negocio, servicios, algo más. Empezando ahora.
Sí.
Sí.
Okay. Yo le hice el trabajo a esta persona de reemplazar un fence, desde removerlo a construirlo todo nuevo, y también hacemos servicio de chome removal en demolición. ¿Can I give my phone number?
Oh, sí, ¿qué es tu número de teléfono?
Mi número de teléfono, si pueden contactar, es el 619, el área, el número es 366-9197. Es Alvarado's Company. Es todo lo que puedo decir. Contáctenos. Gracias.
¿Y no más trabajo? ¿Reemplazar techo o piso?
No, más de puro demolition y fences. Podemos reemplazar.
Y qué bueno. Alright. Hasta luego. Un foto con mis amigos nuevos.
Yeah.
Ay, no, Alvarado. Tú también. Y 3, 2, 1. Me gusta queso. Alright, so this is the final product right here after all the fence board slats got installed. Pretty satisfied with how it turned out. The spacing or gaps in between the fence board slats are really minimal. You can barely see through them. So these guys, they really took their time, and I'm also really impressed with the cleanup job that they did. So definitely, if you have any projects, any household ambitions you want to take care of, Alvarado and his freaking partner will do a fantastic job. I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't if they did it for me. Damn, yeah, check this out. Just gonna keep on walking this way, show you the rest of it, and then I'm gonna turn right back and show you this the fence from this angle. How does that look, everybody?